my initial step is the first again understanding the problem, what is the main issue and what we have to achieve, and what is the main means, what is the breaking between the whole flow, what is the main part that is breaking. And then after that, I asked them to simply share a solution from their side, because they are starting with the problem and I'm already aware of the solutions. Maybe I will be having different types of solutions for that problem. So whenever they are giving me the solutions, now it's my job to simply correct them out. Okay, now the solution is good, but we cannot simply use this solution because we have different these types of issues. By this way, now uh, they will be able to explore or expand their thinking. So most of the mentees in the Pesto as well, they say something like that. While in the project phase, they say that I'm not that much good on the front end side, or I am not that much good on the back end side. I do not like the CS and all that stuff. So what I ask them to just simply give it a try. Okay, just give it a try with the basics. Okay, I don't want you to create a clone of the Facebook or that Netflix. I don't want them. I just want them to simply create a counter or simply create a clock to just simply show it to the UI. If you do not try the thing, then you will not be able to see is it built for you or no, or will you be able to use that tech stack or particular technology. Once they give it a try, then face some issues, then I will help them out again with having a discussions. Like for example, if someone is not liking the front end, you can just simply talk to them and simply say, see, your work will be shown to the end users. They will be able to link with you. They will be able to see what you made for them. So, but for the backend as well, you can just simply say that you will be playing with the data. Now, the main responsibility is on you, how to play with the data, how to make it easily available to the front ends and all that applications. I gave these advices to my mentees as well to just simply give it a try. If you not give it a try, then I don't think so that you will be able to decide is it for you or no.